Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time, I am Kritika. Welcome to the YouTube family. We are doing so much in this whole platform and we'll be doing more. So like, comment, share, subscribe and also press the bell icon. So जब भी मैं आऊँ आपके पास notification आए कि मैं आ गई हूँ. So without wasting any time, let's get to the point. Myntra end of season sale. सेल के नाम से एक अच्छी सी स्माइल आती है ना, बहुत अच्छी सी आती है, मुझे तो आती है. सो दिस टाइम वी आर ट्राइंग 5 डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स. वी आर बाइंग 5 कुर्तीज अंडर 500 रुपीज़. महंगा कौन खरीदना चाहता है यार, लॉकडाउन है, सस्ते सस्ते मत करो, बाहर तो पहन के जाना नहीं है. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स सी हाउ द फैब्रिक इज, व्हाट द क्वालिटी इज एंड इफ इट इज मनी वर्थ. So let's get going. So the very first kurti is what I am wearing right now. We'll be seeing the kurtis in 3 different categories. First, fit. Second, comfortability. And third one is if it's worth the price. So I'll be mentioning its brand, its price and also my size in the description box or either on the screen. So पहली चीज़, fit. You can see how good it is. Like, it is very comfortable, it is very soft, very soft. It feels like silk, but I know it is not silk, it is polyester mix something, but then again it is very soft. मतलब आपकी स्किन को प्यार हो जाना है इससे. Second thing is if it is comfortable, as I have already told you, it is very comfortable. I won't think about it twice before wearing it. Third point, the price of it will be mentioned somewhere here, and under 500 I cannot believe this is the quality. Like, go for it. I'll be mentioning all the links down below. I hope it's not sold out, but even then I'll put the link in the description box. So this is good for me. So the second kurti is this Sangria kurti, which is pink in color, bright pink. So I like it very much. So we'll be seeing it in 3 bases as usual. Firstly, fit. As you can see, it is very nicely fitted, but I think that it will shrink when it goes into water because it is cotton. So I suppose it will. Second, comfortability. It is not at all comfortable. I'm sweating in it. मतलब in summers, but I had that in mind that it is a stand collar, so it won't be. I took it for winters. I have company and I'm totally distracted, as you can see. Shani! Now she is not interested. So getting back to the video. So it is good for winters and it would be very comfortable to wear. It will give you some warmth also. But it might shrink, keeping that in mind. Also, it has booties all over it. Third point, sorry, let me focus again. It costed me 349 rupees, for which it is very nice because it has booties all over it, which gives it a look of chicken curry, Lucknowi chicken curry, you might know. So yes, and wait for it, the climax. Oh yes, it has pockets. Happy with it. So third kurti, and as you can see, I can barely fit in it. It is not at all comfortable. Like, I have bought it in my usual size, and if you want to buy this, you have to buy it a size up or a 2 size up. I will suggest 2 size up because this is so very tight. There is no give to it. First of all, I could barely get into it. So I'm not at all happy with this purchase. Even if it is under 500, if you want to buy, go for 2 sizes up, or there is no way that you will like it. So yes, it's a no for me. Definitely not comfortable, not worth of the price, and fitting so you can see. So the fourth kurti is this, which is polyester mixed kapda for sure. थोड़ी सी मुझे साइजिंग की प्रॉब्लम है, बट आई गेस दिस इज माई फॉल्ट बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट बिन करेक्ट अप टू माई मार्क. उस पर आई वॉज वेरी मच श्योर इट वॉज इन माई फॉल्ट, बट इसमें हो सकता है बिकॉज आई लाइक इट वेरी मच. इवन दो इट इज़ अ पॉलिस्टर कपड़ा, मतलब आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबिलिटी नहीं मिलेगी, बट स्टिल यू विल बी कंफर्टेबल इनफ. सो फिटिंग वाइज it's good, but you can go for one size up always. Second, comfortability. It is comfortable, so that's it. There's not for price what it was for 379, and it is absolutely fine price what, because first of all मोटे लोग like me, tip है आपके लिए, this type of pattern where your waist is divided in some different pattern from waist down gives you a look of having a petite waist which is very flattering. So yes, ये pattern कम में मिलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. And second thing, slit, open slit. Third very important thing is all these buttons are doable. Even if you want, you can use this as a shrug over a spaghetti top. So for this kurti is a good for me. So the fifth and last kurti is which I am very happy about is this mustard yellow kurta. I don't know the price. Obviously, it will be on the screen. Don't worry, my sizes will be. So the three things. First, fitting. As you can see, it is perfectly fit. It is a cotton polyester का कपड़ा and शायद थोड़ा सा ही shrink हो सकता है, but even then it is a give. So good fitting, like good to go. Order your usual size, that would be good. Second, comfortability. It is very comfortable. It will keep you warm in winter. And actually this monsoon season, क्योंकि जब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड हो जाती है तो you want something full or nice. So the 3/4 sleeve length will help you with that. Third, price what? Absolutely. Like I would recommend this totally. Please, you can pair it with the plazos, with jeans and skirts also. Red skirt will suit with it very well. So yes, that's my tip for you. I'll be rating this 8.5. So these were all the 5 kurtis that I bought. My favorite was definitely this one, which I am wearing right now. It's very comfortable, so silky, and yes, everything is great about it. My least favorite would be definitely grey one. I would not recommend you to buy it, but even then, if you want to buy it, the link would be in the description box below. Tell me what was your favorite one, and also let me know what other brands do you want me to try in the comment box below. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe, like and comment. I'll be very happy to read all the comments. And yes, that was it for today's video. Okay, bye.